See, ricin is a chemical, protein in nature, which is found in castor seeds, जिसे हम हिंदी में अरंडी बोलते हैं, and this is very toxic, and even a very small quantity of ricin can be dangerous because it binds to ribosomes in the cells, and which is necessary for protein synthesis. Therefore, in the cell, protein synthesis stops, which is important for survival. And this leads to, there are 3-4 ways by which ricin can go in. It can be inhaled, respiratory. It can also get, some quantity can get absorbed from skin, but it can also go from ingestion by oral. And even very small quantity, and it has been seen that even milligram quantities, 1 milligram per kilogram and even less, can be lethal sometimes. When this is a protein in nature, ricin, and protein gets denatured if it is heated too much, and it is ensured that the oil is free from ricin. And also sometimes this seed is converted into, after extraction of oil, is converted into the cake, and these cakes of seeds is used for cattle feed, but that is also free from ricin, and by heating and other process. And ricin itself is toxic. If child consumes a seed while he cracks it or breaks it, then it can be toxic. It affects the respiratory system, difficulty in breathing. It can affect the central nervous system. This means all the seizures and respiratory and the CNS depression. When ingested, means it goes orally, it can cause severe vomiting, severe diarrhea, fall in blood pressure, and then it can cause gradually organ failure. And the organ failure can be for kidney, for liver, for brain, and ultimately patient dies. You must know this also, that this castor seeds or arandi ka beej jise hum kehte hain, can also be toxic. But usually the seed is hard, and if a child swallows it, it does not come out. It goes from the intestine without that. But if it breaks, it can cause toxicity. Unfortunately, there is no specific antidote for this, and therefore this is considered to be, sometimes this has been considered even today as a biological terrorist agent, and that is dangerous. It's not so common, but long back in 1970s somewhere this was used to kill some specific person, because this can be added to food, this can be added to as environment, and this can be used for that. So this is used only for terror purpose. This is only used for poison. No sane person, no normal person will use it. This is all criminal activity.